Hello guys, welcome back to the Chung Social Tools channel. In today's video, I will introduce the feature for collecting comments from Twitter posts. After collecting the posts, you can use the software to extract users who have commented. This is the comment collection feature. First, I will get the post link. Once you have the link, paste it here. Set the number of comments you want to collect. In this case, I will collect 500 to 1,000 comments. Then select the X account to scan and click Start. The software will automatically open the account and begin the collection process. When the collection process is complete, you will be able to see the user's name, a link to their profile. You can export the data to an Excel file for easy management and processing. That concludes the tutorial on the Twitter comment collection tool. If you need more information, don't hesitate to message me through the contact details pinned in the comment section below the video. Thank you for watching.